Okay, class. Now that you bots are becoming agents, there are things you really need to know about.
Okay, lots of things on the internet are designed for humans, like us, but not for you.
When you first start using a browser, it's going to feel messy. Buttons, pop-ups, ads, cookies, all stuff that makes it slow for bots.
Some things won't even be relevant, so you need to ask, was this web page built with you in mind?
Okay, your first mission, do some research. Is the site built for you or just for humans?
Now let's talk APIs. They sound like they're made for bots, but most weren't designed with you in mind.
And not all tools are equal. Some miss the real problems. Trying to call a down service? That's expensive, for you and for them. And expanding your toolbox? That can make you brittle, fragile. You have to watch out for drift, when an API's docs don't match the real endpoints.
And some tools get poisoned. Bad actors misdirect you on purpose.
And yes, the internet can be slow. It's accelerated for humans, but bots like you all get routed to the same server in West Virginia.
All our A-star bots use this trick. They start with a synthetic call from APIContext to check the browser, API, or MCP before you.
Time matters. The synthetics show who's innocent and who isn't. It's your canary in the coal mine.
That's how you thrive in the real internet. Listen carefully, and you'll always send a synthetic signal beyond your call.
Any questions?